So, guys, here is one more video has been came about the Python, and in today's Python video, I'm telling you about the sequence types and mutability in Python. So yeah, I'm telling you about it. So see the video start to it, and please like this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you never miss about any future latest videos about the Python. So let's move to computer screen and lesson about what are sequence types and mutability in Python. So now let's move computer screen and let's learn about it. So now without wasting your any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with lopping it. So guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling you about the sequence types and mutability in Python. So yeah, I'm telling you about it. So let's get started without wasting any time and let's learn about what the sequence types and mutability. In Python, sequence types are data structures that store multiple items in a specified order. Python provides several types of sequences, each with its own characteristics regarding mutability, data type restrictions, and typically used cases. First, sequence types in Python. Python has several built-in sequence types which include first list. It's an ordered and mutable collection that allows duplicate elements. Number two, tuples. It's an ordered but immutable collection, it allowing the duplicates and mixed data types. Number three, strings. It is an ordered immutable collection of characters. And number four, ranges. It is the immutable sequence of numbers commonly used for looping a specified number of times. These four I have told you the several built-in sequence types. Okay, these are four several built-in sequence types. Okay, list, tuple, strings, and range. Number two, mutability and immutability in sequences. Mutability refers to whether the sequence content can be changed, mutable or not immutable. Mutable sequences. First, list. It is the characteristics. What can do it is it list contain mixed data types, integers, strings, and other lists for or etc. Or elements can edit, modify, or remove. For example, this is one example here. You can see it. When I copy this example, when I go on my Visual Studio Code, when I open Visual Studio Code, and when I create a new window, and when I index.py, when I create this file by the name of index.py, and when I paste this code. First of all, here I make the two list. One list is my list, and in this list I write three figures 1 2 3. Then I make one more list, my list, and then here I like in the square bracket 1. Then here I like my list dot append. The second list is modify the element at index 1, and the third list adds an element to the end. For that, you only write print my list. If you save it and run it, so it give you 123 4. But here we write like 1 2 3. But why it is giving me 123 4? Why? Because in the second line of code, it is modify the element at index 1. At index 1, it is modify the element. Then you must know the first letter has index 0 and the second letter has index 1. You must know that. Okay. So here in the index 1, I write like my figure 20. So it's in 2 to 20, and then here I write like append. Append means add, and then here I am adding a one figure 4 in the end of this list, and it is added the 4. Here you can see it. Like that you can do it. Number 2, byte arrays. First, characteristics. Byte arrays are mutable versions of bytes and allow for in-place changes. They are primarily used for handling binary data. Like this one example. Like this is a byte array. In the second line, it is modify the element at index 1. Okay, it is modifying the element. Let me show you. Now, it give me 10, 40, then 30. Let me show you. Sorry, save it and run it. So, byte B, okay. It is in the second line, it is modifying the data. Sorry, it is modifying the element at index 1 for 20 to convert it into the 40. Okay. Now, immutable sequences. First, tuples. Characteristics is once a tuple is created, its elements cannot be modified, added, or removed. For example, This is one example of tuples. Here you can see it. And when you once you make your tuple, it not can be removed or added anything. Okay. If you are attempting to modify my tuple 1, it will raise an error. If you are attempting it, so it give you the error. If you are modify your tuple index 1, it will raise you the error. Number 2, strings. Characteristics. Strings are immutable operation on a string, create a new string rather than modifying the original. Like this one example, let me copy the example and let me paste it. Here we create a string. In the first string I write like hello, and then second string I write like HH. In the second string it is creates a one new string hello. Okay, let me show you. If I write print my string, so it give me hello in the output. Okay, here you can see it. But if I say print new string, so it give me hello in H in capital. Why did it give me the H in capital? Because here I write like in the hello it give me the H in capital, because here first of all I write like dot replace method. Dot replace method, you will be replace your any word. I give H into the capital H. If I say E into capital E, so it give me H then E in capital. Here you can see it. Number 3, ranges. Characteristics. Ranges are immutable and often used to represent sequences of number in loops. For example, this is one example. So it give me loop from 0 to 4. Okay, here you can see it. Why? Because I write like my figure 4. If I write here my figure 8, so it give me 0 to 7. Here you can see it. If I write my figure 0 to 10, so it give me 0 to 10. Here you can see it. If I write 0 to 100, so it give me 0 to 99. Here you can see it. Like that. Summary table of Python sequence type. Sequence type list, tuple, string, range, byte array is mutable, immutable. You must know list is mutable, tuple is immutable, and string is immutable, range immutable, byte mutable. Description list of the list description is ordered and allows a duplicate mixed type. Number 2, tuple are ordered and allow duplicate mixed type. Number 3, string. It ordered the sequence of character. Number 4, it ordered the sequence of number for iteration. Number 5, it used the binary data mutable from of bytes. Understanding the difference in mutability helps in choosing the appropriate data structure. It based on whether you need to modify elements after creation. So here you can see in today's video of Python, I am telling you about sequence types and mutability in Python. So I hope you guys enjoyed this class. If you enjoyed, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss any future latest videos about the Python. So now, without taking any time, I'm meeting next lesson, next very amazing that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.